Welcome to a new video of ScoreSmart. Today we are going to see some properties of multiples of a number. So let's start. Multiples of a number. A multiple of a number is obtained by multiplying the given number by any natural number. For example, multiples of 5. So 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, then 15, 20, 25, 30. So this is called multiples of a number. Let us see some properties of multiples of a number. Every number is a multiple of 1 and itself. In the last example, we saw 5. So it is a multiple of 1 and also 5 is a multiple of itself. A multiple of a number is always greater than or equal to the given number. In the last example, we have seen that 5 is equal to 5 and its multiples 10, 15, 20, they are all greater than the number. Multiples of a number are infinite. Factors of a number are finite, but multiples of a number are infinite. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, it can go on and on and on. So multiples of a number are infinite. Thank you for watching this video. For more such videos, do subscribe to our channel ScoreSmart Private Tuitions. Thank you.